Okay.
So we were trying to fish Puckaway, and then we ended up on a lake called Mud Lake.
I think so.
Is there any fish in this lake?
In the summer, I do real good up there.
Yeah?
Well, everybody else is going out here. So
Well, let's do it. You see the battery for this? Please tell me I brought the battery. Yep, there's the battery. That would have been a bad day if I didn't have that. So you ready to catch your first fish of 2017?
Yes.
2017 day one.
Last time it was New Year's. Last time.
Did we catch fish last year?
Last year at this exact time we went out with Eric Hottie.
Oh yeah.
Remember?
I wish we were with Hadia right now.
Yeah.
Catching brown trout. Looks like we're walking like a mile to the spot.
Yep.
The ice feels real sketchy, like it's cracking every time I take a step. It's real slippery too. We're still walking, and we've been walking for a while. I don't know the lake. I honestly don't even know what lake we're on right now. I thought we were going to be on a lake called Puckaway. I think we might be on a lake called Mud Lake. I don't even know. I don't even really know why we're walking so far, because I have no idea where the fish are. I'm just going to keep following the crew. Every single one of my tip-up hooks are embedded in the ice shanty here. So that's awesome. We do got our first flag up. Haven't even stopped setting our stuff up, but I don't see it spinning. It's not spinning. You can see there's no fish on it. Fish of the day. It's big.
It's something big. Oh, it's pike.
Oh, nice, buddy.
Oh.
Oh, it's a nice one.
Oh, that's a good pike.
Leo. Nice perch. Well, that's a nice perch.
My camera wasn't working, but I got this one, and then I caught 3 other ones, but they were all way too small.
Oh, fish on. Eating my sandwich here. And I caught a perch. Oh, dude, this is my first fish of 2017 right here. It's pretty small. Still spinning. Still going. I'm going to get this one. He's mine. I got him. Oh, he might have fell off.
Did he?
No, he's there. He's there. I got him. Oh, it's a giant bass. Giant bass. Just get him by the mouth. Just. Whoa! That's a giant. Oh my God.
That's a 5-pounder.
Wow.
For sure.
Wow, look at that. Oh, nice. Yeah. Holy cow. That's a freaking pig right there. Nice. Yeah, man, this is my first bass of 2017 right here. Woo! All right. This beautiful fish is going back.
Beautiful color.
Yeah, there you go, girl. Woo, nice. Yeah.
Wow, is that cool?
That was awesome. We're gonna start packing up before the sun goes down. We had an amazing trip today. It really paid off for us to just kind of go to a lake and try something we've never tried before. And we're at this lake, we didn't even know what lake we were on. It was so crazy. I didn't even know what kind of fish we were gonna catch or what to expect. And we ended up chasing flags all day long. And it turns out, I guess we're in some kind of marsh system right now. And we caught so many pike. We didn't put them all on camera, but man, we caught just pike after pike after pike, and a lot of nice perch also. And I hope the rest of our 2017 goes like this. It was just a great day, and I hope you guys have an amazing 2017. So happy New Year, everybody, and we'll catch you next time.